In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to create an account on Ticketmaster UK. In order to create an account, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, go ahead and open up your browser, type in ticketmaster.com or ticketmaster.co.uk. It's going to take you to the official web page, which is going to look something like this. So while you're on this page, click the profile icon on the top right hand side corner. And when you do that, it's going to direct you to the other field where you can see login or sign up field. So here you need to scroll down a bit and make sure to click on sign up from the top, and basically you begin with creating your account. So type in your email address, create a password, and type in the first name, last name, and all that, and mark on the terms and condition and tap the next button. When you do that, it's going to direct you to the other page. After that, it's going to ask you to confirm by entering your phone number. So go ahead and enter that, and then make sure to give a consent as well, or mark on the terms and condition and tap the next button. Once you've done that, sometimes it's going to ask you to verify your identity by entering the OTP. And once you've done entering your OTP, then you'll have successfully created your Ticketmaster account. So that's how you can create a Ticketmaster account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.